People random here. So I have this Master 7 and it's a 7D and it's been sitting on the shelf at work in the package. I just opened it up actually, and probably like the 14 years I've worked there, it's sitting there. And it's kind of a good thing that I didn't open it up because like even for a 7 it's crap. It doesn't even, right now the package doesn't even open. To open it you have to push on the shackle, then it'll turn and you can open it. So but we're gonna pick it just for the fun of it. It is like the most amazing tiny key. I got a bunch of these on my keyboard, but I never realized how tiny they were when they were bitted. Yeah, so let's see. So we're gonna try the top of the. Can I even get that in there? I think I can, but I make sure I clear that. There's a little rivet here that holds the laminated together, and we'll see what we got in here. The only reason why I'm using the reach is I want to be able to use the fine point on it. The pins are so close together, so pin 4. That was a click on pin 3. Must have overset something. Gosh, those are small pins. I want to see somebody take one of these cores out and put it in like a huge master lock just for the fun of it. There we are. It is open. Don't forget you gotta push on the shackle on this one to get it to turn. Here we are. Junk. Definitely junk. Super sloppy. I wonder if it's bypassable. But I don't even know if my yeah, see, there's no spring return on here either. Wait, there we are now. Well, I don't even know if my knife would fit in there. No, I don't think it does. If it does, I can't really do much with it. Yeah, I couldn't. I'm at the back of there, but I don't care if I screw it up. It's not doing anything. But I do have another older one, and I'll tell you, it's quite the difference. Feels a little heavier. I don't have a key for this one. I've never really played with it before. Maybe I did. It was a while ago. I can't remember. But we'll try it the same method, using the top of the tension. And I think if you really wanted to pick these things, like for fun, you'd almost need a little longer tension wrench. It'd be nice if it just sat fully in the ledge, because it barely sits in there. Same method as before. So far it's the same order. Oh, I totally, I think I would just overset pin 2 like drastically, so I didn't hear a click. We're going to put a little more tension on it this time. Pin 4, we're good. Pin 3 was just a minute click you might not even be able to hear. Okay, there's pin 2. Oh, there you go. Pin 1, so same binding order. Still, I guess, just as sloppy. But, yeah, so there you go. There's the little tiny Master 7s. Anyways, take care, everybody, and thanks for watching my vids. Thanks for all the subscribers and the people that subscribed recently and my previous ones for watching. Appreciate it, and support your local locksmith.